Here are the three river basins of the northern fertile plains. The number one is the river Satluj basin, and the number two is the river Ganga basin, and the number three is the river Brahmaputra basin. So we shall discuss about the three river basins of the northern fertile plains. So very first river we have the Satluj basin. So first we have to discuss about the location. Where is Satluj basin located? The western part of the northern plains around the river Satluj is called Satluj Basin. Yes, and the river Satluj and the river Beas, they both are the river. They flow into the southwest direction. Yes, they lie in the southwest direction, and then they join the Indus River that is in Pakistan, and this Indus River flow into the Arabian Sea. And here we have the two states which lie in the Satluj basin. Yes, Punjab and Haryana. These are the two most important states that lie in the Satluj basin. And most of the farmers here mostly depends on the rivers, canals and tube wells for irrigation the fields because they don't have too much rainwater. So wheat is the main crop of this region, and the other crops grown here are rice, wheat, sugarcane and cotton. But wheat is the main crop, and we can say that wheat is grown here in a large quantity. And the next feature of the Satluj basin is the Bhakra Nagal Dam. Yes, the Bhakra Nagal Dam has been built on the river Satluj. It is one of the largest dam of India, and this dam provides water for irrigation and produces hydroelectricity. And Punjab and Haryana, these are the two states which get water and electricity from this basin. And some big cities of this basin are Chandigarh, Amritsar and Ludhiana. So this is our Satluj basin. The next one is the river Ganga basin. The river Ganga. The Ganga basin lies to the east of the Satluj basin. Yes, it lies in the east of the river Satluj. And the main important cities of the Ganga basin are Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and Bengal. These are the important cities that lie in this basin, and the Ganga and its tributaries. So my dear students, first we have to discuss about the tributary. What is tributary? Tributary is when a small river joins a big river. It's called a tributary. So river Ganga and its small rivers like Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi, they flow through this basin. And the river Ganga is the most important river of India, and it is the holy river of India. And the river Ganga originates from Gangotri Glacier which lie in the Himalayas region. And the river Yamuna also originates from Yamunotri Glacier which lie in the Himalayas. And the other main rivers of the Ganga basins are Bhagirathi, Mandakini and Alaknanda. They all are the small rivers which join the river Ganga when it flows down the mountains. And at last, when the Ganga river reaches Bengal, it splits into the two main branches. Yes, it split into the two main branches, Hooghly and Padma. And the Hooghly river flows through the city of Kolkata, and the Padma flows through the Bangladesh. And the main crops of this basin are rice, sugarcane, wheat and jute. And this area, yes, Ganga basin area produces a large quantity of food crops. So that's why Ganga basin is also called the food bowl of India. So that's why Ganga river is also called the most holy river of India. And what are the important towns and cities of the Ganga river? All along the banks of the river in this basin, there are old and well-known cities. There are many old and well-known cities like Rishikesh, Haridwar, Delhi, Agra, Varanasi and Patna. These are the important town and cities of the Ganga basin. And the last we have the Brahmaputra basin. Yes, the Brahmaputra river. This basin lies in Assam and the river Brahmaputra rises in Tibet and it is located in China. And Tibet is located to the southwest of the China. And the most important city of the Brahmaputra basin is Guwahati, and it flows through a narrow valley in Assam and then it flows through southwest towards the sea. So this is the location of the Brahmaputra basin, and then it enters Bangladesh and joins with the branch of the river Ganga. And Brahmaputra basin gets a heavy rainfall and it makes the river overflow its banks, and through too much rain, too much water in the rivers, sometimes it causes flood condition. But the soil of this basin is very fertile for growing different type of crops. And the main crops of the Brahmaputra region are rice and jute. Yes, rice and jute are the main crop of this basin. And tea is grown on the hill slopes of Assam, and India is famous throughout the world for its tea gardens. And the northern fertile plains is one of the most thickly populated areas of the world. Now here we have the map through which we can discuss about the location of major rivers of India. Here we have the rivers map. Yes, we have discussed about the three rivers, the river Satluj, the river Brahmaputra and the river Ganga. Here you can see the location of these maps. Yes. Now the Satluj river, you can see here the Satluj river, it lies in the southwest direction. Yes, you can see here the river Satluj, and here you can see the river Ganga. It passes through the many states, and you can see here the Ganga river, it starts from the Uttarakhand, then it comes to the Uttar Pradesh. Okay, the next is Bihar, and the last it passes through the Bengal, and here it passes and it flow into the Bengal, and here it divides into the two branches, Hooghly and Padma. So this is the location of the river Ganga. Now the last is Brahmaputra. It rises in the Tibet, then it goes to the Arunachal Pradesh and comes down in the Assam and flows and merge into the Bengal with river Ganga. So these are the three locations of the rivers. The first is the river Satluj, the second is the river Ganga, and the last is river Brahmaputra.